Hello. So like I said last week, I showed how to create like a cutout using Canva and their layers. So I'm going to do that in Photoshop. We're going to use the same design just so I can show you how that looks. So here we go. Alrighty, so here's the design. I created it in Photoshop, so this is what we're going to do today. So this is just a 3 by 3 inches at 300. So I'm going to pull the image in. Alrighty. Try not to cut her feet off or her head. I think that'll do. Alright, so I'm going to name this the back layer. So we'll do the front, and then we'll need a layer in the middle for the text. Okay. Alrighty, so we have the text here. Sorry, I need to put that on top at first. Fall fashion. Okay, we're gonna open that up. So if you wanted to, you could lock that back layer like we did on Canva. Oh, I don't want it to go over. Okay. And to stretch it just a little bit, I just held shift. All right, so we have our text that's in the middle. All right. So let's bring the front image, and then you're just gonna click remove background. There it is. We're gonna make a copy of the text. Front text. Okay, from here, you're gonna double click on that layer. You're gonna go to stroke, and I think about 3 pixels is what I tested it on, and it worked good. Then you're gonna go to the blend options, and under advanced blend, you're going to bring that down to 0. And voila, there you go. Same design, so file, save a copy. And then you could save it on your desktop. Fall fashion. I would save the PSD, of course, if you're needing to make changes, and then when you're ready, just save a JPEG. And there you go. How cool is that? You kind of see her hair there. That's funny. If you wanted to, I mean, same thing with Canva too. You can go in and clean it, but here in Photoshop as well, you can go in and clean it. But it's just as simple. So, ta-da! All right. Hope that helped. It was actually faster. Look at that. 3 minutes.